Bitcoin trades above $25,000, Ether stays below $1,600. India will decide on its crypto stance in coming months. Animoca Brands raises $20 million for Metaverse project Mochaverse. FTX seeks to reverse payments made to Shaq, Naomi Osaka and Miami Heat. Friend.tech TVL tops $20 million weeks after being declared dead. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets were trading lower in the beginning of the week as investors kept an eye on key macroeconomic data, including the US CPI scheduled later in the week. Bitcoin traded below the $26,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.1% at 33,370 points. Interestingly, the optimism around corporates buying cryptocurrencies post Financial Accounting Standards Board or FASB tweaking the accounting norms on valuation helped Bitcoin to reclaim $26,000 mark earlier in the week. It may be recalled that before FASB tweaking accounting norms, companies were required to mark crypto holdings at the lowest value they hit during a quarter. In broader markets, there are some bright spots emerging from altcoins. Doge has entered an exciting pre-sale phase, successfully navigating concerns about other tokens, especially Binance and Ripple, facing regulatory hurdles. In another interesting news, market participants will focus on the US CPI data, which is a huge gauge for measuring inflation, is set to be released later in this week. However, the analyst anticipates the annual CPI to come around 3.6%, more than 3.2% CPI recorded in July. In other news, CME FedWatch tool predicts a 93% possibility of announcing a pause at the next FOMC meeting scheduled on September 20. Meanwhile, a new crypto scam surfaced showing the perils of social media platforms. A recent tweet of $25 million crypto giveaway by the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was an obvious scam as per Grayscale spokesperson. Going forward, Ripple, a blockchain company, announced its plans to buy Fortress Trust, a Nevada-based financial and technology infrastructure provider, in order to boost its Web3 infrastructure and broaden its product line. Nevertheless, FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange, is in plans to sell its company and liquidate $3.4 billion in cryptocurrencies. This crucial decision will be announced on the same day US CPI data is set to release. However, this liquidation will impact the cryptocurrency markets, analysts believe. Sushi, a decentralized finance project, is all set to launch on the Aptos blockchain, indicating a considerable advancement in cross-chain and multi-chain significance. US stock futures rose on expectations the Federal Reserve could keep interest rates unchanged, with inflation continuing to slow. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average increased by 0.2%. S&P 500 futures rose by 0.4% and Nasdaq 100 futures rallied by 0.6%. Bitcoin was trading at $25,725, down by 0.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was also down by 2%, trading at $1,591. BNB was down by 1.7% to trade at $209. Next on the list, we have Solana Sol. It was down 3% and was trading at $17.8. Talking about Cardano ZDA token, it was down by 2.2% to trade at $0.24. Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. India will analyze and decide its own position on crypto in the coming months after considering global leaders' stance on an acceptable crypto rule framework, which were part of the group of 20 deliberations, a senior official of India's finance ministry said on Sunday. Speaking to a scrum of journalists on the sidelines of the G20 Leaders Summit, Ajay Sept, Secretary of the Department of Economic Affairs, said India's position will be decided in the coming months. He added that since the framework for assessing risk has been put together by the G20, we will analyze what globally the leaders have agreed to and then decide on what will be a sound policy for India. Sept's comment on Sunday indicate a shift towards the possibility that India may frame its own legislation, a first since India suspending plans for comprehensively legislating crypto through a bill in early 2022. Animoca Brands, a metaverse and gaming venture capital firm, has raised $20 million to advance its Mocaverse project from a group of other prominent Web3 investors. The investment was led by CMCC Global and included contributions from Kingsway Capital, Liberty City Ventures, and GameFi Ventures, the Hong Kong-based company said Monday. Animoca co-founder Yatsui also participated in a personal capacity. Animoca's aim is for Mocaverse to provide Web3 native tools for users to build gaming and other entertainment products. One such product under development is Mocha ID, a non-fungible token collection designed to allow users to craft on-chain identities in order to participate in the Mocaverse ecosystem. The capital was raised through the sale of simple agreements for future equity for about $2.9 each, which will be automatically converted into ordinary shares after 6 months. Bankrupt crypto exchange FTX is probing if it can reclaim the millions of dollars paid to celebrity athletes and sports teams that promoted the exchange before it filed for bankruptcy last November. In an over 180-page August 31st court filing, FTX financial advisors laid out a detailed list of high-profile figures and businesses it paid in its marketing efforts to see if they are under rules allowing bankrupt companies to reverse the payments. The list includes $750,000 made to former basketball pro Shaquille O'Neal, over $300,000 to tennis pro Naomi Osaka, over $270,000 to former baseball star David Ortiz, and over $200,000 to American football quarterback Trevor Lawrence. Also included are nearly $420,000 made to pro basketball team the Golden State Warriors and over $250,000 in various payments to Miami Heat. The filing warned, however, that the final amount of FTX may recover from the efforts may vary materially from the amount reported. Decentralized social media platform Friend.tech has seen a sudden surge in total value locked, doubling to reach more than $20 million within the last 4 days. Only 2 weeks ago, critics declared the platform dead after activity on the app appeared to be fizzling out. However, activity on Friend.tech has witnessed a significant resurgence over the last few days, with the app witnessing $12.3 million in daily trading volume, the third highest ever on September 9th, according to data from June Analytics. As a pseudonymous account, Tyler Diddled pointed out the September 9 trading volume on Friend.tech eclipsed that of OpenSea, outperforming the NFT platform by more than $3 million on the day. A potential reason behind the resurgence of activity on Friend.tech may have something to do with the growing number of non-crypto figures that have joined the platform in recent weeks, including a number of prominent YouTubers and OnlyFans creators. Additionally, the app has shipped a number of updates that have offered improvements to user experience and functionality. Friend.tech launched on Coinbase's Layer 2 base on August 11th and generated a staggering $5.9 million in fees by its 10th day. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The search interest associated with Shiba Inu in India has created several spikes over the past 90 days. A survey conducted by Consensus revealed that 73% of the Indian population values financial independence, with crypto assets offering faster wealth generation but also the risk of losing funds. The survey, conducted among 1,013 people aged between 18 to 65, found out that nearly 1:3 had bought crypto assets but sold them, with 21% currently owning them. However, over half of the Indians would consider investing in crypto over the next 12 months, with the main reasons being curiosity, long-term returns, and portfolio diversification. Bitcoin, Ethereum, DogeCoin, and Binance Coin were the top 4 crypto assets bought by users, followed by Shiba Inu, followed by Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot. In comparison, Shiba Inu was the 6th most popular asset in America, with only 17% of investors diverting their funds into it. This suggests that Shiba Inu is a more popular investment option in India compared to America. However, today, Shiba Inu was trading down 1.22% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $4.3 billion. Next on the list, we have Solana. The price of Solana has plunged more than 6% in the last 24 hours amid fears that bankrupt crypto exchange FTX may soon liquidate its significant portions of the token and other Solana-affiliated crypto assets, according to a combination of data from Scan, which has added up the value of the 3 publicly available FTX cold storage wallets. The FTX estate holds a combined $1.5 billion in crypto assets on the Solana network. Of that weighty figure, Solana tokens account for just $128 million. The rest of the amount is comprised of numerous Solana-based altcoins such as Wrapped Bitcoin, MAPS token, Serum, and a number of other tokens colloquially referred as Sam coins, a jest of the former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. Still, the idea that liquidators may soon unleash $128 million worth of SOL and hundreds of millions worth of other SOL-affiliated tokens onto the market hasn't inspired much confidence in the market. Today, Solana was trading at $18.21, down 2%, with a market capitalization of $7 billion. Next on the list, we have XRP. Cryptocurrency company Ripple announced the acquisition of Fortress Trust, a startup specializing in crypto infrastructure, giving it a license in Nevada and allowing it to expand beyond its core bread and butter of blockchain-enabled payments. Ripple is mostly known for its role as a cross-border payments firm. The company uses a blockchain-based messaging system akin to SWIFT to approve speedy transactions between a network of banks and other financial institutions. Ripple partners with Modularnium and SBI Remit in Britain, Singapore, and Japan. The company uses XRP for cross-border payments between banks and other financial institutions. However, this news had no impact on XRP's price, as today XRP was trading at $0.42, down 3%, with a market capitalization of $25 billion. Next on the list, we have SushiSwap. Sushi is expanding to the Aptos blockchain, marking the first time the DeFi project has integrated with a blockchain that is not natively compatible with Ethereum virtual machine. The Aptos network will be connected with Sushi's version 2 automated market maker as part of the expansion. According to a statement from the Sushi team, this integration represents the company's first non-EVM chain. Sushi's objectives for cross-chain and multi-chain prominence are advanced by the first ever non-EVM integration with Aptos. Sushi now runs on several significant EVM chains including Ethereum, Phantom, Polygon, Arbitrum, Binance Chain, and others. Aptos is a layer 1 blockchain that is supported by venture capital company Andreessen Horowitz. It offers developers the option to construct decentralized apps using Move, a Rust-based programming language, and was developed by former Meta personnel. However, this development did not impact SushiSwap's price, as it was trading at $0.56, down near 3% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $130 million. Last on the list, we have meme coin Doge. Doge has taken over the world and everyone is talking about this pre-sale. One Ethereum whale has participated, and these whales only buy a token that they believe in. Doge has raised nearly $2 million in its successful pre-sale, with analysts predicting a 3,500% rally in the coming weeks. The native token POMD blends meme coin economics with the Pomo game, providing a platform for 3 billion video game users to network and earn. Players can level up their characters and sell items on the Pomo Place when they can reach a gold status. Doge, an altcoin, has a collection of 7,777 unique NFTs, believed to be the key of the ecosystem. The token POMD is available to mint just for 0.2 ETH for holders. As demand increases, the token's price rises and investors can keep 100% of the profits. Liquidity will be locked, and Cyberscope and Solid Proof, leading smart contract auditors, have passed with flying colors. Doge is poised to break records and enter the top 100 projects, making joining the ICO a profitable endeavor for investors.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.